Hello, I'm Lauren Carr and welcome back to Mystery Review Crew. Today we are doing a audiobook review of Mike Alger's Snowstorm. This is a delightful and fun mystery thriller. Have you ever heard of a mystery thriller being fun? But that's what it is. So stick around, find out more.
Hello. I'm Lauren Carr, and thank you for joining us at the Mystery Review Crew podcast. Join us for author interviews, panel discussions, and all things mystery.
Hello, welcome back to Mystery Review Crew, and let me tell you about Snowstorm. He smiled. Kidnapping. Nah, you don't have to worry about that. I'm not here to kidnap you. I'm here to kill you. Have you ever had one of those days? You know the kind. You wake up one morning and all of a sudden an internationally feared assassin wants you dead. I hate it when that happens. And what do you do when the forecast for your friendly neighborhood TV weatherman looks like murder? KRGX meteorologist Greg O'Brien is having one of those days, and he hopes that it's just not his last. Hello, welcome back to Mystery Review Crew, and now let me tell you about the author of Snowstorm and the narrator and producer of this audiobook. One of the most popular and recognizable faces on television sets in Nevada and California is Mike Alger, who is the chief meteorologist for KTVN-TV Channel 2, CBS in Reno, Nevada. The award-winning weatherman is a holder of the American Meteorological Society's Certified Broadcast Meteorologist Seal of Approval. He is happily married with 2 children. And if you look at the links below, then you can follow Mike on both Twitter and Facebook. Hello, welcome back to Mystery Review Crew, and now let me give you the audiobook review of Snowstorm by Mike Alger, also produced by Mike Alger. Now, since I listened to the audiobook version of this, I can't say I couldn't put it down. I have to say I couldn't stop listening. The book actually starts out with local meteorologist extraordinaire Greg O'Brien, and is told in first person, coming upon a international assassin who intends to kill him. And as this book starts out, this is not the first time this international assassin has tried to kill Greg. This mystery thriller is filled with twists and turns and laugh out loud humor. Greg O'Brien, the main character, which is so important, because he is the main character, and the book is told from his point of view because it's told in first person. He is literally the guy next door. He is the everyman hero. We are not talking about Arnold Schwarzenegger. We are not talking about, Harrison Ford. He is just the guy next door who everybody happens to know because he's a local celebrity, because he's a meteorologist and he's on TV all the time and his picture is on the side of buses. But he just comes home every night to his loving wife and his 2 kids who attack him. And he gives his wife foot rubs. How can you not love a guy who gives his wife foot rubs every night? He is not the type of protagonist who you would expect to suddenly and inexplicably end up in the crosshairs of an international assassin who is very good at what he does. From there, the mystery begins. You want to know who wants Greg dead and why somebody wants this meteorologist dead. from there, I really don't want to be able to give away the mystery or the fun, the fun in this book, because once you find out who and why, then how do you stop this international assassin? How do you solve this dilemma of being in the crosshairs of an international assassin? This book is a romp. It is fun. It is fast paced. You have likable characters, not just Greg, but you also have his wife who is devoted and wants to help him every way she can. And you also have his best friend. And plus you have the law, somebody who does come to try to help him. Snowstorm is well plotted. It's got the interesting characters. It's got believable dialogue. Our reluctant hero, Greg O'Brien, is a family man who he doesn't swear. He goes to church. It's a very refreshing, fun book. This is a wild ride and fun from start to finish. Mike Alger has done a terrific job, and I hope that he does another Greg O'Brien book soon.
Thank you for joining us today at the Mystery Review Crew. If you liked today's episode, do be sure to like and subscribe so you can receive notifications for future episodes. In the meantime, happy reading!